Why is FaceTime using email instead of phone number? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can figure out why the FaceTime app is using email instead of phone numbers. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have been wondering if the FaceTime app is using email instead of phone number, open up settings. It's very simple to fix it. And then just look for the app called FaceTime over here, right? Just go to FaceTime. Under FaceTime here you can see you can be reached by FaceTime at your phone number, and if you have used your Apple ID, your email address will also be selected there. So all you have to do is just uncheck that email address. In my case, I have not set it up, so that's why in my case you were seeing this option. But if you have set up your email, you have to uncheck that email and only check this option, which is the phone number, and then after that you will be able to go ahead and then basically use your phone number instead of your email. This way you can basically use your phone number instead of email on FaceTime. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.